Welcome back to Random Thoughts. I'm your host, Andy Bro, and I'm hosting alone today because Miss Ashley Cloche is still on her honeymoon. Still, cool. But anyway, miss her. However, I have an awesome guest. She is from New York City. Millions and millions of fans. And I got her here at the Random Thoughts Studio. So, and we're going to talk to her about social media. So, give it up for Lady Gaga! Woo! Gaga, what's going on?
Woo! So excited to be here.
So glad to have you. What are you wearing?
Oh, well, Andy, this is my new design. My new platinum hat from France. And these new flowers that were shipped to me from Asia. And,
I like it. I like it.
you know, I thought I would go dark for the spring.
Cool. Nice move.
And this is from Gareth Q.
Nice.
My designer.
Now, is that comfortable?
Of course.
All right.
I'll
I'll trust you. So basically, I want to talk.
different here in Louisiana than New York.
I believe that is very true. So today I want to talk about social media, and you are queen of, or should we say you are lady social media?
Well, thank you.
I
Is that
know.
my title out there? We don't know.
No, I think it's Gaga, but.
Oh, okay.
For social media's sake, you are the queen of it. You do a great job with it. You have social, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, do you run these yourself?
Yes? I do.
Awesome. And I think it's great how you post your videos on YouTube before you even send them to MTV, huh?
I do, because, you know what? More people are online. I think we'll see this first than seeing it on TV.
Yeah, that's awesome.
In today's world, you know, everyone has a
Right.
device on them.
And yeah, I mean, you really just have built a really strong brand. You are different. Would you agree? Authentic.
I would say so.
Communicative. Everywhere. You are the most popular thing right now.
Well, I am in Lafayette, Louisiana. I would say I'm everywhere, wouldn't you?
Yeah. And last but not least, you are fun. Great parts of building a strong brand. So.
Right. My name is out there, maybe good or bad, but you know what? People are talking about me.
They sure are. So, you want to sing us a little tune before we say goodbye?
Oh, well, Andy. I'm not really allowed to.
How about Poker Face? Come on. Mop, poker face, mop, poker face.
Oh, I think you did pretty well.
I don't sound as good as you.
I'll make a note to my producer. Maybe he could be in my next video.
I would love that.
All right, I will note that down.
Gargar in the house.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
I'm interested
It was
in
really fun.
exploring Lafayette while I'm here.
It's a great place. You have plenty of stuff to do. So, anyway, thanks for stopping by, and
Thank you for having me.
we'll be, me and all of our viewers will be keeping up with your latest videos. Love to watch them.
Thank you.
They're awesome.
Thank you.
All right, well, you wanna, I know Ashley's not here, but will you give a goodbye with me like we normally do?
Oh, most certainly.
All right, well, bye!